Acne is a common skin condition. In teenagers, it happens due to a hormonal imbalance that causes the skin's oil glands to produce excess sebum or oil. This oil combines with the dead skin cells and causes blockage in the skin pores, leading to redness and inflammation. Causes such as poor diet, stress, and certain medications can lead to acne at any age. Women may experience it due to hormonal changes in adolescence and the perimenopausal phase. Symptoms of acne include whiteheads, blackheads, and pimples with pus that might later develop into cysts. This condition can eventually leave scars, and hence it's important to address it as soon as possible. Let us now make an aromatherapy blend using essential oils that not only cleanses and cures, but also eliminates possible triggers of acne. The essential oils in this mixture have antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties that treat the infection. It also has properties that control excess production of oil. So for this blend, you need a 1 ounce glass amber, blue, or green bottle, and we have the amber. So start by putting 4 drops of Helichrysum in the bottle. Helichrysum helps to regenerate the skin tissue and can prevent scarring. Then add 4 drops of geranium, or what is referred to as blue chamomile, and this will really provide relief from itching. Take 2 drops of tea tree and 2 drops of geranium oil. Then fill the remaining bottle with jojoba oil. And I love jojoba oil because it absorbs very easily into the skin. So you cap the bottle and then roll it to blend all the ingredients together. And then you can take 4 drops of this into the palm of your hand, and you can apply it to your face after you've cleansed, or you can just use a cotton ball and apply with that. So stress flares up on the skin. It's thus important to practice relaxation techniques such as meditation every day. Sit in a quiet place and take 2 drops of lavender or chamomile in your palm or on a tissue and inhale as you pay attention to your breathing. Do this for about 10 minutes twice a day. Take care.